بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم تسليما كثيرا ثم من بعد. This is Sami Mahmoud, science teacher. Hi guys, how are you? I wish you, all of you, I wish you are okay. Please stay home, stay safe. Wish you all healthy inshallah. We will start our lesson in chapter 3 in science grade 4, and this is the lesson number 1. We will have 4 lessons. Each of them, all of them will be in unit 3. So let's start with the first lesson. The first lesson is called, or the unit is called solid, liquids and gases. Guys, as you can see here in the 3 pictures, I have a small activity, so please pay attention with me. Can you tell me the difference between the 3 pictures, guys? There is something different between them. Can you tell me, please? And there is something connected between them and between our lesson. So, the first one here, this is a boy, have a glass water, and this is a book, and this is balloon. So, this is called liquid, and this is solid, and this is gas. This is number 1. After that, in our lesson today we have 2 activities, or I'm sorry, 2 objectives. The first one, we need to understand the meaning of matter, what we mean by matter. Number 2, we need to know that matter can be solid, liquid, or gas. Let's start with the definition number 1. What we mean by matter? If you look around you, in your home, at your school, in the street, everywhere, you will find a lot of things, a lot of stuff, like your mobile phone, as you can see here, glasses, ice cream, trees, rocks, volcanoes, and different type of things around you. All these things, guys, we call it matter. So matter, this is the definition of matter. Matter is everything around us. Everything around us. And this matter, maybe it will be living things like plants, animals, or non-living things like water, gas, rocks, and all this stuff here that you can see it. This is number 1. So we understand what we mean by matter. So matter is everything around us. Guys, matter is, or we can divide it to 3 types. As you can see here, a state of matter is called a phase. So a state of matter is called a phase. This phase that we will start to understand it in unit number 3. These phases are known as solid, liquid, or gas. So if we go back a little bit, we will understand that we have matter. It's called everything around us. If we need to divide this matter, or we give it another name, we give it the name of phase. The name of phase. So these phases are known as solid, liquid, or gas. Can you see the picture here? Please, can you divide them to solid, liquid, and gas? Can you tell me which one is liquid, which one is solid, and which one is gas? It's pretty easy. This is juice, okay? So the juice here inside the glasses, this is liquid. And this is balloon. Inside this balloon, there is gas, okay? And this is cake. This is cake and candle. And both of them are solid. So cake is solid, juice is liquid, liquid, yep, and balloon is gas. Okay, so if we need to take more information, if you need to understand more information about gases, this gas that we breathe it, that we cannot live without it. Why? Because air is everywhere around us. And this air that we breathe it, it's made up of different type of gases. Again, so air is everywhere around us, and this air is a mixture of different gases. Okay, as you know, we breathe oxygen, and also the plants breathe carbon dioxide, animals breathe oxygen, and the air around us it contains a different type of gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrochloric, different type. So I need you to know that we cannot see or smell the gases in air. We cannot see or smell the gases in air. A gas called nitrogen, makes up 4.5 of the air. This is a percentage of the nitrogen in the air. Also guys, some gases do have a color, not all of them, but some of them. Okay, some gases also have a smell, like hydrogen sulfide smells like rotten eggs, and this is a very bad smell. You will not like to smell it. And this is the chlorine gas. It's seem like to be a yellow. So our lesson today is very simple and very easy, because I just need you to know that what we mean by matter, the definition of matter, that is everything around us. And if I ask you what we mean by matter, complete the sentences. Space is everything around us. What you will write here? Matter. Okay, this is number one. Number two, I need you to know that a state of matter is called a phase. A state of matter is called a phase, and these phases are divided to three types: solid, liquid, and gas. After that, I need you to know that air is a mixture of different type of gases. Air is a mixture type of different gases. Okay, and of course we cannot see or smell gases in air. We cannot see or smell gases in air, and we took two examples for gases that we can smell it or see it, like hydrogen sulfide and chlorine. And this is two examples for some gases that have a smell or that have a color. And this is a very small, a very simple lesson, and thank you for it. See you inshallah next video.